starting out with freshly washed hair, like literally just stepped out of the shower. My face is super shiny because I did do skincare. So the very first thing I typically do is I go in with my must-have products for the perfect silk press, guaranteed every single time, and that is the Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. Absolutely love her. If you have 4C hair and you have thicker hair, you're gonna want something that's more heavy to help really seal the cuticle down so that you're not getting those flyaways, and it's also gonna weigh the cuticle down so that you get the silk press, the smoothness of it. So my favorite is the Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother, as well as the Redken's All Smooth, and the Mazzani also has one that I really like too. I'm gonna make sure I list everything up here. And then I also really love going in with the Kenra Blow Dry Spray. This just really adds amazing shine and luster to your hair. So we're just gonna start out by spraying the Kenra Blow Dry Spray all over my hair. And it absolutely smells divine. If you have thinner hair, this I think is perfect for it too. In finer hair, it's literally like the perfect mist. Then I'm gonna go in with the Olaplex number 6 Bonding Lotion. And I just take like a thick glob. I'm just gonna start by working it into the back of my hair. I just like to take a little bit per quadrant. So the more hair you have, the more you're gonna use. And you just wanna make sure it's like well saturated in your hair. And I am working with some heat damage. I've been wearing a V-part wig and I just have not been careful about straightening my hair. So like the very front of my hair has so much heat damage. Okay, now to make your life easier, section everything out. This will make you blow dry your hair so much faster. The more hair you have, the more sections you're gonna need. I take a lot of these, I have a lot of these clips. And all I'm gonna do, use my finger, part my hair down the middle, part my hair into 4 quadrants. And these don't have to be perfect by any means. And then I'm just not gonna clip this section because I'm gonna work with it anyway. So your hair should have like 4 clips. So this is what it's looking like. Now I'm gonna take a blow dryer. So this blow dryer, the comb attachment, if you look inside of it, you'll see that it doesn't have like a thermal roller. You do want to get one that has a thermal roller inside. That's gonna be chef's kiss. That's currently at the salon I work at, so I'm not gonna use one today. So now I'm just gonna go in with my blow dryer. You could use any blow dryer, just get a really good universal attachment, which I'm going to link down below. I hate that I look so greasy, super crazy, but let's just get started on the blow drying. Blow drying is the most important process of a silk press. You want to make sure that your hair is sleek and smooth, and your straightener only needs to make at least 1 to 2 passes max. If it's making more than that, that means you did not get a good blow dry. Your blow drying is the key to amazing silk press every single time. So
one eternity later.
I literally blow dry my hair super fast. I know I typically am like, this is the must-have Revlon brush, like it's gonna get your hair straight every single time, and it is. It's gonna do its job, it's gonna do what it needs to do, but for a silk press, it's not really gonna get your roots, and you wanna make sure that your roots are silky smooth or it's going to get stiff. Like,
for real, stiff what?
Oh, no way.
Stiff what?
Wow.
No.
Yes, bitch.
No stiff.
you're not gonna be able to have a lot of movement, and a blow dry comb is gonna get your roots. It's gonna give you the movement and the luster that you're looking for. I'm going to retouch this side because like my ends are not gonna give silk press if I keep them like this.
A few moments later.
And now I'm gonna be going in with my straightening iron. My favorite flat irons are anything from Hot Tools. This is from Hot Tools, $60. I got it at Target. And I typically put my temperature all the way up because I'm just gonna do one pass. Like, it's not gonna be a big deal. So this goes all the way up to 445 degrees. So we're gonna let that sit while I resection. And another brand that I do love for Hot Tools is Babyliss. I use that on my clients, and until I can afford to get one for my home, Hot Tools honestly does amazing. It's all about the technique, not the tool. So I'm just gonna section my hair. So the back of my hair has really teeny pieces, and I'm gonna be using a fat flat iron. Not the greatest choice. I did get my hair cut, guys, into like a micro bob, and it's already grown so much longer. I did not take pictures of my micro bob. I don't know why I didn't do that. But when you section your hair, you want to take really thin pieces, like nothing super crazy. So as you can see, these pieces, like, it's a very fine section. That's how you're gonna make sure that you get a lot of heat into your hair, especially if your hair is not heat trained. You want to make sure that you are using very fine sections, and we are going to be using the chase method. So you're also going to need, what is this? A fine tooth comb. You're going to want to use a fine tooth comb for the chase method. I'm going to wait till I get to the front to show you guys what I do, like to really talk to you guys about it, because in the back I really need to focus. It's a lot harder to do the chase method. And because I do have those itty bitty hairs, I am gonna cheat just a little bit. And I'm gonna just chase them with my hot comb. Guys, it's giving up pressed. Like, there is no like rhyme or reason for a flat iron. All you do is like press down and pull, but you just want to make sure you're getting really close to the roots. So I'm gonna go ahead and work like halfway through my hair, and then I'm gonna bring you guys back once I get to the front of my hair, because you guys really can't see back here. So I really want to add some curls to this. You guys, my hair has grown a lot. Like, it used to be literally like right here. It's grown at least like 2 or 3 inches. Oh my gosh. That's how you could tell you got like a really good silk press. Ugh, I love me a silk press. Ugh, gosh, I love a silk press. You guys, I want to curl my hair. This is the perfect time to do it because like my heat protectant is still activated, and I'm not gonna use an intense temperature, but I'm just gonna curl it un poquito, so. You guys, this flip, it's giving grown. Okay, like what? This is giving grown. I'm just trying to see if I truly love it or if I like it like flipped in more. Okay. I'm really a middle part girly, but this really kind of gives like grown woman, like sexy vibes. The curls aren't like super defined, which is not what I wanted. I just wanted like a little bit of a flip and some movement. It's giving like sex hair almost. It's definitely giving grown and sexy with the side part, and I don't like I'm kind of feeling the side part a little bit. I am. Let me beat my face really quick and we will come back to summarize.